Hey, this is how you can check the last seen or active status on Instagram. Let's see how you can do that. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to direct message folder. So here you can see none of the people are active here, and under their name it's just showing their username. So now to fix this, you have to go to your profile, tap the hamburger menu, and from here go to the option messages and story replies. Now tap on show activity status and make sure this option is turned on. And after turning it on, just force close the app and open it again. Go to direct message again, and now you can see who is actually active by looking at the green active status light, and under their name you will see active now. And you can also check who was active recently by looking at the last seen status shown there. But if you still see username under their name, that means they have turned off their active status on their side. So there's nothing you can do in that case. You will only see last seen for accounts that have it enabled. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.